Goals Lab is a group accountability coaching. What it's meant to do is to help you achieve your goals. And it's designed for those people that don't necessarily need the in-depth coaching that one-to-one brings, but just want to focus on one goal at a time and tackle that. The reason why Goals Lab works is very much like you hiring a fitness trainer. If you've ever tried to take on a health goal yourself, it may work or it may not work. You tell yourself that you want to lose 20 pounds in 2 months. Okay, great, you've got a goal. Every Tuesday, every Thursday, I'm going to the gym. And after the first while, you kind of let yourself go. Why? Because first, there's no one watching over you. Secondly, when you're doing your reps, that coach knows so much more because of the depth of experience that they bring. They can just give you that one little tweak to do it slightly different. And then you'll get so much more benefit out of that. I'm that coach that will keep you accountable for checking in and doing your mini goals. And during the check-in process, I'll share with you, hey, what if you did it this way? Or have you thought about this? Just give me those little perspective shifts. And the good news is, whatever your goal is, you can start right now. Click on the link for a free goal tracking sheet and a video on how to use that sheet and get a head start on turbocharging your success.